Hey guys, meet Kate. What is she doing? She's eating like always. What are you eating there?
A fat boy egg sandwich.
It
Those are my egg sandwich maker.
was made in Max's egg sandwich maker.
Alright, so I'll give you the rundown. Bottom bun. Close. Crack an egg. We put some already pre-made bacon in there with some cheese. Top bun. Close. And then you slide this puppy open. And your sandwich is ready to go.
It's done. But
You guys
yeah,
want to know the macros? I just did it.
what are the macros for one egg sandwich?
I believe it was like 220 calories.
26 carbs, do you remember? 26 carbs,
18.
8 fat, and 18 protein. Yep, and you gotta meet Austin. Say hi.
What's up?
Austin's our client. He's just starting with us, so you're gonna see his
He just signed up with us coaches at All-Star
transformation. So, yeah, keep a lookout for Austin. He's gonna start looking good, right, Kate? Yeah, that's Kate's boyfriend. And that's Austin's girlfriend.
As you can see, she likes to eat.
Yeah, she likes to eat a lot, hence why he can't diet around her. Hey, say hi. Oh, Kate has a cat. You want to see Kate's cat? Kate's very protective of her poor little cat. And wait, Kate! Oh, found her. I found her. Aw, this is Pumpkin. Kate found her at our family store. Our cat had her babies in our hay, and Kate took this one. So this is Pumpkin. She's very friendly, but she doesn't like Dallas, so yeah. Kate! What? I thought Pumpkin was missing because I couldn't find her because she's not in the box, and she's like laid up in the corner. She's so cute. Dallas just wants to play with her, and Pumpkin's like, get away from me. Right, bud? I'm sorry. Nobody likes you.
Hey, so tell them what today is.
Oh, yeah. Today's our Luke Bryan concert. Who's excited? Kate, did you win VIP tickets or like meet and greet or whatever?
Well, not yet, but any minute I'm gonna get an email saying that I'm gonna meet my husband.
Whoa, Austin.
Sorry, Austin. Like my pretend husband.
Yeah, it's okay. We all have pretend husbands. Some more than others.
And wives.
No,
not a thing.
that's not allowed. What are you making over here?
It's a one-way street, Max.
You're eating more?
Yeah, we're going to the gym.
Thank you.
What the heck? What are you making now? What are you making?
Oatmeal, and I'll show you my little protein guap. There's a science to this. Science is you can't mess up.
Is she gonna show them how you make it? Approximately how much water are you pouring in there, sir?
Till the consistency is correct. Chemistry.
Chemistry. That's not physics?
Quantum physics.
Yes, quantum physics.
See?
Wait.
I'll show you the after product because it takes some elbow grease.
I can't handle you.
I don't know, I think I need a little more.
No, you're gonna mess it up.
No, I'm not. Trust me.
You're gonna mess it up. You're gonna add too much. I'm gonna tell you, told you so.
What are you doing?
This is like a daily thing, and this is the best invention ever.
Oh my god, we should invent this and put it in jars and sell it.
It
Protein
doesn't-
guap.
Yeah, but it doesn't like stay well.
Well, maybe we can revolutionize the consistency.
Yeah, so then after he's done, which that looks pretty good.
This is just a scoop of protein. That's it. With a little bit of water.
And then he's gonna add it on top of his oatmeal. What flavor protein is that?
This is brownie, what is it, brownie batter?
Yeah. It looks like somebody shit on your oatmeal.
Really? Come on.
Wait, that looks like a wet one. That's funny. But yeah, that looks real good. We're about to go to the gym.
And look. Got some of this in there.
Oh yeah. Got Flavor God gingerbread cookie. And then I also got my shipment of You Fresh Naturals peanut butter and mussel frosting.
Wait, but don't tell Mom, but I'm gonna fit these into macros somehow.
Hey! You just put Icon Meals popcorn on top. Something tells me that doesn't go. Do you even know the macros of those, sir?
They don't count.
You didn't weigh them. What are we doing at the gym today?
What are we doing at the gym?
Yeah.
We're gonna head back because I want bigger wings than I do now.
You need to work legs.
Why? Why did I work legs?
Because my big butt can't fit on your chicken legs. Guys, I spit my ice cream out yesterday because of this whole thing that Max has chicken legs and I got a Bubba butt and I can't sit on his lap anymore. I need to find a man with bigger legs.
I'm already 10 pounds heavier.
Alright, well, we're gonna do back and Max is gonna do legs.
By himself.
You could superset every back exercise with some leg day stuff. Okay? Seriously though. Get your legs bigger, boy. Alright, see you at the gym. Kate.
We're at Shipley's
Shipley
Donuts.
Are you ready to eat a donut?
Yep.
Alright. Tell the guy you want one of everything. That's what he says. Go.
Okay, here you
Go. Yeah.
How are you? Alright, I'll take one of everything you have here. I'm kidding.
Excited?
Listen, that guy was a douchebag.
He was. My friend wasn't there. The cute white boy.
Yeah.
Is there nuts in this?
You should go back. You should tell him that you're allergic to nuts. Why is there nuts in it?
He's actually doing that.
See, is there nuts in these?
Chocolate?
Yeah,
Yeah, chocolate peanut.
Oh, I can't eat that. I'm allergic.
because it says chocolate cinnamon twist. No, he wants chocolate but no nuts. Is there?
Only now.
There's nuts in all of those.
Only
Oh. You should write that on there.
So then, what do you want?
What are these ones? These weird twist thing?
No, these look better.
What is that? That's
Cinnamon.
Yeah, I guess I'll take one of these then. Sorry. Thank you. I almost just died.
All right, Max almost just died.
Bad.
Almost just died. He's alive, guys, alive.
That's bad. It says baked. It says chocolate cinnamon twist, and I.
Be it out, and it's like
They don't
40
want it.
degrees. He killed it. He killed it. Oh my god. Caitlin,
thank you.
Caitlin, are you gonna work out?
No. I'm just here for moral support. You ready, babe?
You know, I tell you what, like I
So cute.
I had to bring this out for like
I'm gonna hire you to be
Wearing
my camera
a
girl.
black Victoria's Secret / pink
Got my new
and,
Fitbit.
and pants that make your butt outlines. Woo! Getting pumped. Set. Fucking ready for the gym. Alright. Here we go. Start. Awesome. When was the last time that you were at a gym? I'm just wondering. You look adorable, so it doesn't really matter, but just tell me. Couple months? You look great, babe. Keep up the good work.
Shirt's coming over.
So this is basically why they bring me to Arkansas to videotape them. Look who decided to start working out. 20 minutes later. All he does is talk. All he does is talk because, you know, I'm from New York.
Throwing some wings.
Wings?
Yeah.
Like Max?
Then Max flies away. And they deflate.
What the hell? That was just a warm-up.
Yeah, I got rust in my eyes.
You want to work out?
This is what they call booty games.
No, that's called cake and donut games. You want to come work out, Kate?
No.
Can I teach you?
No.
Please? Please, Mom?
Who's eating it? He's eating it away.
Hey, go. What's stuck to your paw? What's stuck to your paw? Come on. What's the matter? You can't get it off?
goes. Oh, it's stuck on there good.
Hey, why don't you let me take it?
I didn't want to take it. I wanted this to happen. He's been so obnoxious. Tell us. Wait, it's
He's gonna get it stuck in his mouth.
no, he's not gonna be able to get it off. I don't think it's stuck on there good. All right, who's gonna help him?
She's like, I'm just gonna eat it.
Look at that.
Fire roll.
We're here.
Really?
We're here at Wasabi. Not Wasabi. You say hi. This is gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, look at that.
Speak, it's a video.
All right, no, we're not here at Wasabi. We're here at Shogun.
Oh yeah, you're way done.
This is our appetizer. That is on fire.
It was.
Well, yeah. I mean, okay. Open it. Show everyone. Wow, that's a lot of rice. Look at that rice.
Okay, there you go. Okay. Happy smile. Smiley face, right?
Oh my God. That looks so good.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Looks like you, right? You look very cute. There you go. Try Pepsi.
Oh yeah.
He thinks you're cute, Kate.
Hey, he's talking to me.
You? Nah, you ain't cute.
Tara's like, don't they normally?
Ooh, conceited much?
Wait,
Does it smell good?
Wow. Alright,
What's in that?
got my wine. Gonna go eat it. Our sushi's gone, and now we got lots of carbs.
A little bit.
Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you guys full yet? No? Are you full?
Nope.
I just started my
He's
diet
going-
yet, therefore I'm not full.
Yeah, he's not full yet. Yes. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Oh no.
He's burning the frog.
No, I'm cooking my dinner.
I'm cooking your dinner. What you got there?
Okay,
Veggies?
look at that. Ooh.
Wow. Choo-choo train. How is it so far, guys? Good?
Haven't decided.
How are the veggies, Kate?
Okay, no. One
Macros.
more time, okay? Wait, okay, wait,
Oh, come on. Ah, there you go. He's on camera, that's why.
Oh, yeah,
We got a steak. Chocolate syrup? No, wait, he's putting chocolate syrup on our chicken.
I asked them to.
this is the best, right?
No, that was Kate's idea.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah, she got a big mouth.
Next. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, that's dangerous. Oh my god. Hey, he's got it with his hands.
You let me try?
I'm full. Guys, this is where I'm getting fat. They're a bad
Did
influence.
you do again? I'm tired.
Max's plate. Caitlin's plate. Kate, what's going on?
I'm fine.
You have gum?
No.
Give your girl a piece of gum.
And, you know, me and Paris,
Oh, yeah.
we didn't eat today.
No, we ate the plate.
We just, yeah, look. Those are Paris's scraps.
Guys, I was hungry. I ate the plate, okay?
But wait, the plate fit her macros.
Yeah, there's no calories in the plate. All right.
For dessert,
I spent more money at IHOP.
Yeah, we spent more money at IHOP. We're at a fancy steakhouse. Spent more money on IHOP. Wait, it's Austin's birthday. Birthday boy, birthday boy,
that might be my birthday.
birthday boy. I hope it's for him. It's gonna be real awkward if it's not. Birthday boy, birthday. No, it's not. Ah, shit. It's not for you. I got really excited.
we can just go to Andy's.
And Kate, you want Andy's? Andy's? Yes! awesome.
I
Andy's.
don't think you got that spot in your stomach.
Wait, Andy's on mom?
Yes. Wait, let me see that. Shout out to Mama Ryder.
To mom for being the best.
Yes. Birthday boy.
Sugar, we got to tell us her 21st birthday tonight. Oh, come to wish him a happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday! Oh, he got a big spoon.
21st.
Wait, so you gonna share that? That doesn't fit your macros.
Just change it.
It fits mine though.
Yeah, please.
Happy birthday! Yes.
You got that spot in your stomach?
Oh wait, are you stealing Kate's food?
Yeah.
Maybe. Alright. And what do you want you guys to eat?
And I'll have a bacon, egg, and cheese.
Dallas, sit. Look at me. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. Alright. You're Devil's Den. Their first time. My like fourth. And I forgot to bring Dallas water. You think he's gonna be okay? Dallas. Come here.
Morning.
Good morning. Come here, bud. Come on. He loves people. I can't control him though, because he just wants to say hi. It's really pretty. Where are you going?
Yo, where are you?
Listen, you can't go cliff jumping. You can't. I mean, you can, but I won't have a puppy anymore. I know, it's really pretty. You guys should seriously stay till Tuesday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's my flight's on Sunday.
Oh, you're such a biatch. No, see, Austin wants to stay.
I don't have any plans, but
Even if you did, I'm worth it. So you're saying that since I have a dog, I can't go up there?
If you want to, I guess, but
Wow.
if you just want to
Oh,
go
wow.
right here or right there.
Yeah.
Let's go straight.
Yeah. You're a good tour guide.
Thanks. Thanks, Phoenix.
Wow, you guys. Yeah, you're Phoenix, right?
Yeah.
We got
What's your
Phoenix
friend's name?
What?
What's your friend's name?
and Samson, right?
Yeah.
Are you guys brothers?
No, we're cousins.
Aw.
Oh.
Wow, we got some good tour guides. What do you say? Come on. This way. This way, Bubs. This way. I wonder if this hurts his feet. Wow, you're a good climber.
Imagine like a 50-foot high thing.
This way? I don't think I can go that way with a dog. They are so cute. Wow.
It's not down there.
Yeah, you shouldn't go over there. I don't want you to get hurt. Guys, we made it. Kate, how you feeling?
Horrible. I'm done. I'm not walking back.
So what are you gonna do? Jump?
I'm going down that way.
You jumping?
I'm going down.
the dog's eating.
Is that your phone over there?
What are you eating? You eating a rock?
Yeah, Paris just leaves her phone on the ground.
Oh, yeah.
Paris is eating.
Dallas, spit it out. What are you eating?